You can configure sensors for your V5 robot with the Devices window. First, open the Devices window. Select Add a device. And then, select 3 wire devices. Next, select which sensor device you want to use. Now, select which 3-wire port your sensor is connected to on the V5 brain. Please note that some 3-wire devices will require you to select 2 ports. Once a port has been selected, you can change the name of the sensor. Once you are done configuring your sensor, select Done. The sensor blocks will now appear in the toolbox. Your sensor is now configured and ready to use.